What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. Yeah, it's probably been a while since y'all been in the garage or whatever. But anyway, Ponies in the Smokies is like a few days away, 5 days away. I think it's like this week, because today is Monday. And I'm probably hopefully I can post this today. But anyway, doing a little bit something extra, because this is the bad boy right here that's going up there. Yes, the 03 Cobra. That's what I'm taking to Ponies in the Smokies. And one thing I wanted to do was something I've been neglecting to do for a little while, was my tail lights. I got them changed out. Of course, y'all know I got them all changed out and everything. But this light, I can't remember if I told you or not, was out, or I had broken the little tongue that was on the inside. And they're sequential, but they're not the sequential like I wanted. I wanted them a little bit slower. These are kind of fast. So what I did, I got up with my sponsor, Raxium. Sequential tail light harness is what I got. And I'm gonna install that to replace the one that's in there that's broken. But yes, these are sequential tail light harnesses from my sponsor, Raxium. And I'm gonna put the code right here on the screen for the code for the month of March. This is the code for this month. I know the month is almost over with, my bad. But anyway, these are the sequential tail lights. And this is the modified flasher that goes in there to help them slow down, so you give them that old school look. Instead of going real fast, like pop, 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 it'll go pop, 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 nice and slow. So what I'm gonna get to now is gonna pull these right here out. And I'm gonna open up the packages in just a second to show you what I got in there. But I'm gonna take off this little thing right here, if it ever come off. There it is. All right, and get back behind there. And I think there's 4 nuts. There's 1, 2, you can't always see because of the darkness. So let me hit this light. There we go. There's 1, 2, 3 right there, and 4 right there. So I'm gonna pop those 4 off and get back with you in a second. All right, those 4 nuts are taken off, and this is popping out. All right. I'll tell you one thing, it collects grime back there if this bad boy's sitting outside. But anyhow, well, you can see how they're labeled. 1, 2, and 3. One thing you do is pretty basic. Just pop them all out. A little stubborn. And the brake. All right, yep, had to put you down for a second so I can get that thing out of there. Well, that's the old harness. And like I was saying, I broke one of the tongs on the inside. So I gotta replace it with the new ones. All right, so what is in the new bag? Let me open it and show you. Basically the same thing, and the way this one looks like that's exactly where they got them from, American Muscle. That's where I bought these from, using Raxium's code. But yeah, pretty simple, plug and play. Plug this right here in, put in all your lights in the correct order. But let's get this one right here out of there first. Alrighty. See a little connection right here. Just pop it loose. Got that popped out of there. Now, gotta work that grommet out. It's not too bad. Boom, and there it's out. Yeah, see, it looks pretty much just the same as the other one did. But I bet you they didn't use my code. Anyway, and here's the new one. Let me check just one thing before I stick this in and make sure it's not a left and a right to it. All right, there is no left and right. I got all the bulbs transferred over. The only thing we have to do now is just install it in, same way the other one came out. So I'm gonna put you down a minute so I could do that and get back with you in a second. Got that little grommet gasket or whatever you wanna call it installed. Got it plugged in right here. It's all nice. That's the connection right there. It's all putting in. So now we just got to pull all the lights inside of here. All right, got them all installed. Of course, that's the reverse. And you got to make sure you install them from the inside out, inside from the vehicle to the outside. 1, 2, and 3. But y'all already know that. Anyhow, I did wipe down up under there and everything because it was a little dusty. Did wipe it down. So I'm gonna get this thing bolted back up and show you the results. But first, this is what it looked like before. Yeah, you can't hardly see it. It's a little bright, but anyway, as you can see, that's what we got. So we'll see what we got after we put this bad boy back in there and do the other side. Get back with you in a few. All right, I got the lights in. I just wanted to show you what they look like before I put the modifier on there. See how they're going? Kind of fast. That modifier slows them down a little bit, so it gives them that old school look. So we're gonna stick that modifier in there, and I'm gonna show you where it goes, and we're gonna compare how they look. That's before right there, before I put the modifier on. Well, in the process of trying to find where that little flasher was plugged into, the little modifier, there's already one in it. Exactly the same one that I got is already in there. And I thought it would slow the thing down a little bit more than it has, but I guess that's as slow as it's gonna go. So I guess whatever the other one is, it's a lot faster. But as you can see, what you saw just a little while ago, that's what it is. Because the modifier, like I was saying, is already in the car. So, all right, I'll probably be giving this thing away up at Ponies in the Smokies if I can find somebody that has the sequential lights without the modifier. Maybe I can, I'll give that to them. But anyway, that's that. And what else I wanted to say was, here's the new t-shirt design that I got for Ponies in the Smokies. Check it out. Yep, this is the new t-shirt design. Come by and get your t-shirt at Ponies in the Smokies. I'll be in the convention center with Coop Frostbite in the booth with me. And my wife's gonna be running the booth, so if I'm not there, scoop up one of these nice shirts from her. And I think that's about it, really. I just want to show you the new shirt design for those that hung around and stayed to the end of the video, that is. If you left the video early, you didn't get to see the new shirt design, so come by and get yours. Supplies are limited. I think that's it. So if you like that, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you get that fresh stuff when it comes out, and see you at Ponies in the Smokies.